Hello all my beauty queens and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So today's video I'm going to teach you guys how I got the eye look I'm wearing right now. I did it with a bunch of different like berry colors and pinks. I wanted to do some sort of a color look but still make it nice and warm for fall. So I kind of combined the two. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I created this, then just please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already have this concealer on my eye. I have that crease set with the Morphe M504 brush, and I used Naked color out of that Naked palette. Now I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills on a Morphe M433 brush. I took Buon Fresco and just put that all over the lid and blended that up into the crease area as well. Alright, so the next step I did was I took some Love Letter on Morphe's M506 brush and I just carved out the shape that I wanted. And then here I took the Buon Fresco color on Morphe's M441 blending brush and I just blended those two together so there was no harsh lines and it just looked really seamless there on that brow bone. I also just wanted to show you guys I didn't edit a lot of this blending out because I wanted you to see that you can take your time with blending. Like, it's not going to ruin your makeup. The more blending, I think just the more seamless and more beautiful your eyeshadow is going to be. Okay, so then here I am taking just a small amount of Love Letter on Morphe's M433 brush, and I'm just darkening up that color and filling in kind of the patchiness that the 506 left. Then here on my finger, I'm taking a little bit of Wild Heart out of Urban Decay's Born to Run palette, and I am just pressing that all over my lid. Okay, so here I am using the NYX setting spray. I am just dampening an M124 brush, and then I'm using a little bit of the color Sissy out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to put that all on the inner third of my eyelid, and then I also blend it over to kind of just give it a nice fade. Alrighty, so here I am just blending out the colors. I am using the Morphe M433 brush. I didn't put any additional color on it. I just used it to further blend out my eyelid. And then I used the Morphe M441 brush to do some further blendage on the crease and the eyelid. Alright, so here I am just going to darken up the outer V of my eye. I'm taking the color Chip from the Jaclyn Hill palette on that M441 brush and just buffing that right in there. So moving on to my lower lash line, I am just taking Love Letter on a brush out of a Coastal Scents kit I had and just lining the bottom lash line, kind of just carving out the shape that I want. Alright, so here I am just darkening up my lower lash line. I am using Love Letter on a M330 brush. Alright, so here I am just taking that same M330 brush and I am just adding a little bit of Chip to the lower lash line so I can connect the lower lash line and the outer V together. I then took the M441 and just gave that a little buffing to make it a little bit more seamless. On the 124 brush, I took some of that Sissy, but it didn't really leave any pigment, so I just used my finger to apply that instead. Alright guys, so I did glue my lashes on off camera. The ones I used are by Ardell. They are the Wispies number 113. I then use, I believe this is a Maybelline black eyeliner. I just use that to line the top lash line, and then I'll throw on a little bit of mascara. Alrighty guys, and here is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! How I got this gorgeous eye look.